Okay, when we get out to this point, start looking for holes. Oh, we got a ways to go. Yeah. See that next point, Duke? Yeah. We gotta go to the next point. See the seawall? Safe.
Why do we need to go to the... I can see the bottom.
Really? How deep is it? Doogie, I need the scooper. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
It's really, hey guys, we got. Yeah. Well, and we need the minnow. Duke, I need your depth finder. Let's do an intro, guys. We are in Illinois.
Yeah.
At my brother's place. We got Hank, we got Duke, we got Lake, Uncle Mickey, and they've got a lot of nice ice down here. So we, oh, stuck to your hand. We are out here. We're gonna sink some shiners, some dead bait. We're gonna see what we can catch. We're seeing how deep it is.
It's not that deep.
And then we gotta move our bead.
Dude, I can see the bottom.
There's bottom.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yep, there's bottom. Okay, now we're gonna mark the bottom. Slide the bead up a little bit. About right there. Okay, Hank, grab me a shiner out of the bucket. And yeah, this is like my 1 or 2 times a year. The whole family's getting together. We're gonna try to catch a few.
Got one.
All right, good one.
Dad, I'm 2 for 2.
Okay. There he goes. Nice live shiner. Now we pull the bead up to Hank where the bottom of the...
I don't see him.
Here, watch out.
He's gone.
There he goes. Look at him swimming around down there.
Where is he? Oh yeah, I can see him. We can see him. Uncle Mickey, we can see him. Will the flag go up?
Yep, when he pulls it, it'll trigger the flag.
No, if the minnow pulls it.
Yeah.
It's so slick and like you don't know.
This was like, well, as soon as you put a little water on there.
This is way deeper. That hole out there took me 3 seconds.
Really?
Although this was an old hole, so.
Last thing we need is another guy getting airlifted out here. Here it comes. You gotta get it in each other's legs. So Dookie, you go over. Oh, flag, boys, flag. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Go slow, guys. Can you see it spinning, Hank? Is it spinning? Hold on, hold on, hold on, Hank. Don't go right up to it. Hold on. Hank. Is it spinning? What? Okay, pull it up, grab the line and pull. You got him? Oh, golly. Are you okay, dude? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just told everybody. This is my fourth time.
Here, bring it over, Hank. Good job. Thanks for waiting for the rest of us. Ow. Oh. That knocked the wind out of me.
Yeah.
Now I need
a laser.
Now I need the pliers. And we need the minnows. All right, here you go. Hold it up, Hank. First one. Looking good. Let's get him back. Nice, maybe 2-pounder. Head first normally.
Oh, oopsie.
That's why. He'll get turned around. Come here. See you, buddy. Okay.
Baby!
All right, Duke.
That's in, Dad.
That's a score. 2 points.
That's 2 5 points. You're only losing by 2. Take the lead. You only need a few, Dad.
Where are you going, Duke? Are you going to Hank or me?
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
That means different time. I got 8 points. I do too. That's it.
Oh.
He's alive.
This was that big one.
Yeah, he's alive. I don't see him.
Jeez. He's stuck on the ice. Hank, let go.
Yeah, he's alive. He's tail wagging.
That was a good one. I'm not even pulling the sled, it just keeps coming. All right, well, a good fun day ice fishing. Not much catching as you guys saw, but we did have a really good time with the kids out there. Got a little flurry of snow that pulled through at the end of the day and really made things actually very, very difficult to get around. My butt is sore, my elbows are sore, the kids are all banged up. But we're gonna get this put away, we're gonna get inside, get a little bit of dinner, and call it a day. Hopefully you enjoyed this ice fishing video. Not sure we're gonna have any more for the year. We generally only do 1 or 2 ice fishing videos. Something I like to do a little bit of, but not too much.